Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want to save money but don't know where to start? In this video, we'll show you how to save $1,000 in just 30 days. We help teach people about money, personal finance, and investments. If you're interested in improving your financial future, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if this video is helpful. 1. Create a budget. The first step to saving money is understanding where your money is going. Create a budget that outlines all of your expenses and income for the month. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back on spending. 2. Identify unnecessary expenses. Once you have a budget in place, identify any unnecessary expenses that you can cut out for the next 30 days. This could be anything from eating out to buying new clothes. Be honest with yourself and prioritize your needs over your wants. 3. Bring your lunch to work. One of the easiest ways to save money is to bring your lunch to work instead of eating out every day. This can save you hundreds of dollars over the course of a month. 4. Reduce your energy consumption. Reducing your energy consumption is another way to save money. Turn off lights and unplug electronics when you're not using them. You can also adjust your thermostat to save money on heating and cooling costs. 5. Use coupons and buy generic brands. Save money on your groceries by using coupons and buying generic brands. This can add up to significant savings over the course of a month. 6. Sell unused items. Finally, sell any unused items around your house on marketplace apps like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. This can help you earn extra money and declutter your space at the same time. By following these tips, you can save $1,000 in just 30 days. It may require some sacrifices, but the end result will be worth it. Remember to stay focused on your goal and keep track of your progress along the way. If you liked today's video, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and subscribe.